Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to change any triangle shawl into a crossover wraparound shawl. So let's get started. You can wear this wraparound shawl with long ties tied in the back over the top, or you can tuck them underneath and have them hidden so that they don't show. You can also work short ties, add a button, and button that over the triangle in the back, or button it underneath so that it's hidden. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. Hectanuka Patterns is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To turn a triangle shawl into a wraparound shawl, I'm going to add ties to the two side points. So if you'd like to make your ties separately, you go ahead and make your tie and then attach it to the ends with the yarn needle and the yarn ends. You can sew that tie to the end. If you prefer, you can just go ahead and work your ties directly on the ends. So you just go ahead and chain as many chains as you would like to have for your ties. And if it's going to be a button chain, you'd only need a short length like this. So after you have your chain worked, double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And then double crochet in each stitch all the way across. And when you've worked it as long as you'd like, just come back into this stitch and slip stitch to join, like that. And then you can fasten off and weave your yarn ends back and forth into the finished work. And for the button type closure, then you would just sew a button on one end and use one of the openings between the double crochet stitches and button it closed like that. For the long ties, just go ahead and tie them, and you can either leave them out on the front or tie them underneath the triangle point. The link for the Outlander style demo is below in the first comment. And that's how you can turn any triangle shawl into a crossover wraparound shawl. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.